Welcome to CyberByte this is on the topic of online citizenship. So what does online citizenship mean? Well, essentially, it's to do with the way that we might be creating digital footprints in our online spaces. It's to do with how we situate ourselves based on our experiences and how they might take place in online spaces. Part of the chapter in Issues and Debates in Cyber Psychology on this issue draws out some of the issues of this. And the first thing it does is talk about the fact that we don't tend to talk about our experiences online as being as real as maybe real world behaviour in inverted commas. So we tend to situate ourselves away a little bit from it, but we need to start acknowledging that our experiences in online spaces are as real. They're still as important as part of the human experiences as things that might take place in the real world. So it gives a nod to that. It also talks about the fact that when we're talking about citizenship, we tend to look at things like online behaviour, offline behaviour. And again, what this chapter starts to unpick is the fact that categorising behaviour based on whether it's online or offline, using sort of simplistic language such as that is becoming slightly problematic for a number of reasons. One is that those two categories are not mutually exclusive. Things that happen online transfer offline and vice versa. The other thing as well is if we talk about online behaviour as that big sort of singular category, that really fails to acknowledge the complexities of human behaviour. And even in online, as one big lump or umbrella, actually there's a lot of different online spaces we occupy online, and a great deal of diverse and varied behaviours that happen in that space. So using the kind of categorizations and prefixes of online and offline is, in my opinion, starting to become problematic. The other thing I draw attention to in this chapter is this idea of, if we're thinking about citizenship online based on digital footprints, is that actually we have a kind of different category of footprints that hasn't really been discussed much. So this is the idea of what I've started to call unintended citizens. And this is basically how we create footprints, not just of ourselves, but of others. And, my question in here is that citizenship? If we are creating digital footprints for other people, does that constitute a part of citizenship? I've left that as an open question because I currently don't know that either. So that's a little bit about what online citizenship is. There are a number of different critical issues that come out in this chapter, and I hope you enjoy reading it.